Not every location is a moneymaker. I learned this the hard way. But once I found the perfect vending machine location, sales skyrocketed. In this video, I will show you exactly how I found this location, what made it work, and how you can do the same, even if you're just starting out. This machine makes tons of sales every single day, and it didn't happen by luck. I used a precise method to find this location, pitch the idea, and get it placed with zero commission or rent. So if you're struggling to find locations, or you're scared of cold calling, stay with me because I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1, knowing what makes a perfect location. I had to learn this the hard way. Not all foot traffic is good foot traffic. The perfect location has a few key things. Over 50 staff on site, very limited access to food or drinks nearby, a decision maker that understands the value of convenience, and most importantly, the staff actually want it. For me, that perfect location happened to be a warehouse with 80 plus staff and no canteen. Step 2, the research process. Now, before I even reached out, this is what I did. I opened up Google Maps, typed in warehouses, offices, gyms, and factories, looked for buildings with on-site staff and parking, checked reviews, opening hours, and if there was a cafe or shop nearby. I made a list of 50 strong leads and researched these companies, who the site manager might be, and what type of business it was. Step 3, making the pitch. I didn't overthink it. I sent in a simple email and followed up with a phone call. Something along the lines of this. Hey, I run a vending machine business offering modern machines and contactless card readers. I'd love to offer your staff snacks and drinks on site with no cost to you. Out of 50 emails, 5 responded and 2 were interested enough for me to go and visit and have a chat. Step 4, securing the deal. When I visited, I took these with me. My phone with photos of machines that I already had on location, a few top selling snacks and drinks, and a short list of benefits for them. No cost, staff convenience, and fully managed. I kept it casual but clear and positioned it like I was offering them a solution, not selling them something. That's how I landed my best location. No rent, no commission, just consistent sales. Step 5, why it worked. This location works because of 3 key things. Staff are there 10 plus hours a day. The break rooms are far from the nearby shops. I keep it stocked with what they actually like, tracked through NIAC sales data. And now, because it runs smoothly, that site actually refers me to other companies. It's about knowing what to look for, doing the research, and pitching it like it was a service they didn't know they needed. If you want help finding your first location or scaling your vending machine business, check out my full vending machine course. The link is the top line in my description. Comment down below what sort of locations you're looking at, and I'll reply with tips tailored to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.